Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here, coming at you with a different kind of video. This will be listed on my playlist of Frugal Ways, I think it is called. But anyway, this is a way you could save some money and get some food via the mail. We all need food, right? This is actually a purchase that I made online. I saw it advertised on Facebook, and I'm going to leave the link down below so you can get this great deal too. It is from mypatriotsupply.com, and what it is they're running a special on their 72-hour kit, which is a sample pack of 16 servings, which is supposed to last you in case, like, say you're a prepper and you want to prep, or some people prep for different reasons. I'm doing this to check it out, to prep in case your electric goes out, you have a storm, you live where there's hurricanes, so on and so forth. So this was $10 and it was free shipping. So $10 was all I paid for 72 hours, 3 days worth of food. And I do believe, I don't know if it keeps one or if it's for one person or two, but it's 16 servings, so I think it's for 2 people. So I'm going to open it up and see what we have in here. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. $10. You're saving, it's usually, this pack costs $24.95, so you're saving $14.95. And get them while they last, because I don't think they're gonna have this promotion on, forever. If I can get this out of here, hold on just a second. Let me take it. I ripped it to save, but they've really shoved it down here. So let me cut the sides of it. So make sure you follow the link below and get this. I'm not gonna. I will do a separate video on what some of this stuff tastes like. I've never ordered one of these before, so here's what came out. See, it says Patriot. I'm not going to open it right now. Patriot Pantry 72-hour kit, and the purpose is to keep it sealed up, so in a case of emergency. It looks like it's got Granny's Homestyle potato soup. Here, let me scoot in and let you see this. Granny's Homestyle potato soup, 4 servings. Blue Ribbon creamy chicken rice, 4 servings, and Maple Grove oatmeal, 8 servings. So, tells you on the back about how it's for emergency preparedness, self-reliance, food independence. For $10, why not? Let's give it a try, okay? On another video, I'll open this up and try it, but I'm gonna leave that link below. Go get you this great deal, $10 and free shipping at mypatriotsupply.com. Thanks, guys. Bye.